Good morning, student. Myself Umashankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you Chapter 3, Caustic Soda, Plaster of Paris, Preparation and Properties. So, first thing in our mind, what is caustic soda? Caustic soda is an alkali salt. It is common name of sodium hydroxide. This is name is given. This name is given due to corrosive nature of this salt on animal and plant tissues. Caustic soda in NaOH, sodium hydroxide, commonly known as caustic soda. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, that is commonly name of caustic soda. And its preparation, it is produced by electrolysis of a concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine solution. When electricity is passed through a concentrated brine solution of sodium chloride NaCl, it is decomposed to for sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. That is the taken 2NaCl. Preparation and property commonly name is caustic soda, sodium hydroxide and 2NaCl plus 2H2O. Electrical energy passing through, that is 4 Cl2 and H2 gas and 2NaOH, sodium hydroxide, that is the caustic soda. It is used for making soap, detergent, artificial textile fibers, manufacturing paper, purifying bauxite ore, while refining, dyes and bleaches, etc. Now that is the caustic soda. Now again I explain the plaster of Paris. So what is plaster of Paris? Ca, that is the CaSO4 dot H2O, that 1/2 H2O, that is the caustic soda. It is name of calcium sulfate hemihydrated. It is obtained from gypsum. At a temperature of 373 degree Kelvin. 373 degree Kelvin. That is CaSO4, 2H2O, 373 Kelvin, CaSO4, 1/2 H2O plus 3/2 H2O. These reaction through preparation of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is obtained from by heating gypsum material to form plaster of Paris, and its temperature is 373 Kelvin. CaSO4 and 2H2O, that is gypsum. And CaSO4 into 1 by 2 H2O plus into H2O plus 3 by 2 H2O, that is the plaster of Paris. That is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. That is plaster of Paris. Property, it is the properties of plaster of Paris, that is, it is white powder when it is mixed with water. When it is mixed with water, crystals of gypsum are produced and set into hard mass. This setting process is exothermic process. This setting process is exothermic process. Exothermic process means outside process. Endothermic process is inside process, and it is used to plastering fracture bones. If any person bone are fractured, the usage of plaster of Paris. You commonly say to listen, what is this? That is the plaster on his bone fracture. That is usage of plaster of Paris. Now again, it is usage is making toy, decorative material, furnishing in home side decoration, inside decoration, that is form of a statue, toys, surgical instrument, blackboard, chalk, dentist are used, dentist are used dentistry and making a smooth surface, design on wall, ceiling, that is used of plaster of Paris. So both are used in our daily lives. Generally you are studying in blackboard, that is use of plaster of Paris formation, that is chalk, and some person fracture in medical field, that is usage of plaster of Paris. And caustic soda is also used, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda, that is baking soda. So these types are usage of caustic soda and plaster of Paris. Okay, thank you.